Hello friends, this is Adhika Budari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn the difference between print function and return keyword. So let's get started. So here we will make a new file, tut31.py. Okay. So here let's make a function here. Define add2, or let's make add3. Okay. Here we will give three parameters. Okay. As I told you in my last video what are parameters and what are arguments. So I hope you remember that. Okay. So in last video we made a function add2. So there we needed two arguments, that's why we passed two parameter. Here we are making add3. So we now know that we want three arguments. So here we will pass three parameters. Okay. So let's write A, B and C. Okay. Here we will put a colon. And now here we will write print A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C. Okay. Now here we will call the function add3 add3. Here we will pass three arguments. Suppose 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So if we will run it, see we are getting 10. Okay. It is printing the output directly because we have used print function here. Okay. But now if we use return here, let's copy this one and paste it here so that you can differentiate between the two, print and return. So here we will write return. Okay. Now if we are calling the function add3 and giving the three arguments 2, 3 and 5, and when we will run it we will see that we aren't getting any output. Our code is working properly but we haven't got any output. Why? Because as you can see we are returning here, and as in my last video I told you how return keyword works. So to print the output we have to write here print, and here we can do it like this. Okay. See, now it is giving us a 10, the output. So why are we using return here? We can use print directly, but let me show you something. Here if I make a variable, suppose sum3, okay, and which is equals to add3. Okay. Now here we will give 2, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We will change the values also, but here just to make you understand, that's why I'm taking the same value again and again. Okay. So here I have stored the output in this variable sum3. Now if I print it, print sum3. See both are printing 10, this and this. Okay. So by using return function we can store the output in another variable. But now let's comment this one out and see. Now if we try to store this output in any variable, sum3, let's take sum3 only is equal to this. Okay, now if I paste this also here, see, the first one, it is printing 10 because in this function I have already used print here. That's why it is printing here only 10. And the value of sum3 is still none. So if we want to use this value by any other variable, or if we want to store the value in any other variable, we can use return function. We have to use return function. But by using print, we can directly print the output. Okay, so on the basis of your need, we use print and return. Okay, so hope I made myself clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.